Dear students, in the last class we are discussed the conversion from decimal number to the binary number system. Okay, so today we will discussing the binary number to the decimal number system. Suppose, for example, 15 is a decimal number system. So just you can divide the 15 by 2. 2 7s are 14. Remainder is 1. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. In the reverse order, we have to write the remainder values, that is 1 1 1 1 basis 2. So this is the conversion from decimal to the binary. Okay, so now we have to convert binary to decimal. So here, binary to decimal means, so first we have to write down the power. For example, 1 1 1. Again we have to consider the same example. Here 4 by 1 base is 2. First you can write down the powers. So starting unit place, always its power is 0. Next 1, next 2, next 3. See here, 1 is there. So 1 into power 3 is there. Base 2 is there. 2 raised to 3 plus. Again 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 3 is 8 plus 2 raised to 2 is 4 plus 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 0 is 1 into 1. That is 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1. This is 10. So this is the method for converting the binary number to the decimal number system. In the decimal number system, if it is a fractional value means you can consider the fractions and you can multiply with the 2. Here, suppose the question is like this: 4 by 1.111. 4 by 1.111. Okay. So after converting 15 or here you have to write, see here, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. In the fraction side, so you have to write the values in terms of the power in terms of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So next, how to write? Here 1 is there. 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. So 1 into 2 raised to minus 1, 1 into 2 raised to minus 2, 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. Then how to convert? So how to solve 2 to the power of minus 1? So it is equivalent to the 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 means that is 2 to the power of minus 1. So that is, its value is 2 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 2. Its answer is 0.5 plus 2 raised to minus 2, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 answer is 1 by 4 answer is 0.25 plus 2 raised to minus 3, that is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 answer is 0.125. So in the integer part, so you have to write the powers from right to the left. That is, the unit place power is 0, 10 place power is 1, 100 place power is 2. Next is 3. Suppose if it is a 5 digit means that power is 4. If it is a fractional side, fractional part means we have to write in negative values. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, in order wise. That is 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.125. That is 15. It is 0.5 plus 0.25 is 0.75. 0.75 plus 0.125 is 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.125, that is 5, 0.875, that is 875, this is 10. So this is the method for converting the binary number to the decimal number system. So again we have to consider another example. We have to solve another example. So take down 1 0 1 0 1 1 point 1 0 1. See here, power 0 1 2 3 4 5. So here 1 is there, 1 as it is, 1 into 2 to the power of 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Next again plus in the fraction part, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So that is 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. So here 2 raised to 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 raised to 5 is 32 plus 2 raised to 4 into 0 means again it is 0 plus 2 raised to 3 is 8 into 1 is 8 plus 2 raised to 2 is 4 into 0 0 plus 2 raised to 1 is 2 plus 2 raised to 0 is 1 into 1 plus 2 raised to minus 1, it is equivalent to the 1 by 2. 1 by 2 answer is 0.5 plus 0 0.125, because 2 raised to minus 2 is equivalent to the 1 by 4, that is 1 divided by 2 to the power of 2 into 0 means again we will get the 0. So here 32 plus 8 plus 2, 42.0.5 plus 0.125, that is 0.625. This is that. So this is the method for converting the binary number to the decimal number system. The problems, whatever it may be the problems, the method is only one. First you can write the powers, so after that you have to multiply the 2. If it is a fractional part, so you have to write the power in negative numbers. Okay. Next, next is conversion from decimal to octal. Decimal to octal. So you already know the decimal number system, so and octal number system. In the octal number system, it consists of 8 values, that is 0 to 7. 0 to 7 indicates 8 values. For example, 125 is a decimal number system. If you want to convert from decimal to the octal means, just you can divide by 8. Simple logic is there. If you want to convert from decimal to the binary, so just you can divide the given number by 2. Because the output will be in the form of binary, the base of the binary is 2. So here see here, from decimal to octal, here the base is 8. That's why you have to divide the given number by 8. See here, 8 1 ja 8. 8 1 ja 8, remainder is 4, that is 45. Nearest value is 8 5 ja 40. Remainder is 5. Just you can write on the remainder. Same as that of the first one, that is decimal to binary. Next, again 8 1 ja 8, remainder is 7. In the reverse order, you have to write the answer, that is 175 to the base 8. 125 in decimal is equivalent to 175 in octal number system. Clear? Another example. 3, 4, 5. You can take 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Again 8. 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 4. That is 43. 8 5s are 40. Remainder is 3. 35. 8 4s are 32. Remainder is 3. Next. 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 7. 74. 8 9s are 72. Remainder is 2. 8 2s are 16. Remainder is 3. In the reverse order, you have to write the final answer. That is 2 3 2 3 in the bracket of 8. So this is the method for converting the decimal number to the octal number system. So just I will give some examples so you can try. 1 5 6 8. First one. Second one 798. You can convert these two examples into the octal number system. Okay. Next one is conversion from decimal to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. The base of the hexadecimal is 16. It consists of 0 to 15 digits, that is equivalent to 16. But in hexadecimal, 10 is A is equivalent to 10. It means that 10 can be represented as A only in the hexadecimal concept, not in the decimal. 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 F. 1398. So this is the decimal number system. How to convert this to the hexadecimal? So just you can divide the given number by 16. So initially you can take small number, that is 598. See here, 16 is there. Here is 59. You can take two values. That is 16 3s are 48. 16 3s are 48. Remainder is 11. 11 and 8. 118. Next is 16 7s are 112. Remainder is 6. Again 16 2s are 32. Remainder is 5. In the reverse order, you have to write the value. 598 is equivalent to the 256 in hexadecimal. Okay. So another example. 998 divided by 16. 16 6 ja 96, that is 38. Next is 16 2s are 32. Remainder is 6. 16 3s are 48. 48. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. But in the hexadecimal, So you have to represent the 12 as C. So here instead of 12 or in the bracket you have to write C, and finally the result is 3C 6 to the base 16. Don't write 1 2 because in the hexadecimal concept, so 10 to 15 numbers can be represented as a one alphabet. Suppose if we write 3 1 2 6 to the base of 16, so it is not a valid, because here one is, we think that one is separate and 2 is separate. Here one is completely a one remainder, that's why it should be represented as C. So this is the method for converting the decimal number to the hexadecimal number. So first one is the decimal to the binary. So just the given number divided by 2. Suppose if it is a conversion from decimal to the octal, just divide by 8. If it is a decimal to the hexadecimal, divide by 16. From binary to the decimal, you can multiply. First you have to write the powers and then multiply with the 2. Multiply with the 2. Suppose now you have to see the conversion from octal to the decimal. Octal to the decimal. Octal number to decimal number. Octal to decimal. See here, 123 to the base 8. Now you have to convert this 123 to the decimal numbers. Again same procedure, you have to write the powers 0, 1, 2. But here power 8 is there. 1 into 8 raised to 2 plus 2 into 8 raised to 1 plus 3 into 8 raised to 0. 8 is a 64 plus 8 2 is a 16 plus 3. 8 raised to 0 is 1. 64 plus 16, that is 80. 80 plus 3 is 83. Suppose if you want to confirm the answer, just you can convert this 83 to the octal number system. How to convert? Just divide by 8. 8 10 ja 80, remainder is 3. 8 1 ja 8, remainder is 2. In the reverse order, you have to write the answer. You will get with 123 to the base 8. So this is the method for converting the octal number to the decimal number system. Last one is conversion from hexadecimal to decimal. Hexadecimal to decimal. 123, again we have to take same 123 to the base 16. Same procedure, 0 1 2. 1 into 16 raised to 2 plus 2 into 16 raised to 1 plus 3 into 16 raised to 0. 16 is 256 plus 16 2 is 32 plus 3. 32 plus 3 is 35. 35 plus 56 291. 32 plus 3 35. 35 plus 50 85 plus 6 91. 200 as it is. Here the base is n. Just you can convert this 291 to hexadecimal. You will get the 123. 16 1 ja 16. Remainder is 15. 151. 16 9 ja 144. 144 means here 16 1 ja 16. Remainder is 15, that is 151. 16 4 ja 16 9 ja 144. Here the 291, sorry. Here the question is 123 is there, 123 or 291, correct? 291, correct it is, 291, 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 ones are. Next is 16 sevens are. 16 nines are. You will get the 3 answer. Next is 16 ones are 16, remainder is 3. Here you will get the 133 or 131. See here. Let us say 123 to the base 16. Okay. Now you have to convert this to the decimal number system. From octal to decimal, multiply with weight. First you can write the power 0, 1. Here 1 into 16 raised to 2 plus 2 into 16 raised to 1 plus 3 into 16 raised to 0. 16 ja 256. 16 raised to 1 is 16. 16 into 2 plus 16 raised to 0 is 1. 1 into 3, 3. So here 256 plus 32 plus 3. Here answer is correct. That is 290 to the base. Next is 291 divided by 16. See here, 291 divided by 16, 16 ones are 16, remainder is 13, it is not a 15, okay. So that is 131 we will get, 13 plus 131. Next is nearest value is 16, 8 ja, 16 7 ja, 16 8 ja is 128, 16 8 ja 128, remainder is 3. So better you can use the calculator, then it is easy. Next is 16 1 ja 16, remainder is 2. In the reverse order you have to write the 123 to the base 10. See here 123, here 123 to the base is 16. So this is very important for the examination also. So maximum time. So they have to ask the conversion from decimal to hexadecimal or hexadecimal to decimal. So another example. This is different. conversion from hexadecimal to decimal. Now we have to convert this DAD to the hexadecimal. Suppose the given question is in terms of letters. Here DAD, DAD means in the hexadecimal each alphabet indicates one value. Already told, A indicates 10, B indicates 11, C indicates 12, D indicates 13. First we have to write the powers as it is 0, 1, 2. D is 13 into 16 raised to 2 plus A is 10 into 16 raised to 1 plus D is 13 into 16 raised to 0. Here 13 into 256. 16 raised to 1 is 16 plus 10, 160 plus 13. See here, 256 into 13. So after calculating, so just I will calculate 256 into 13. That is 3328. 3328 plus 160 plus 13. So after calculation 3328 plus 160 plus 13, that is equivalent to 3501 to the base 10. See here, yeah. In the same way, so I will give some examples from conversion from hexadecimal to the decimal. You can try. First example is face, F-A-C-E, face. Second one is face, second one is babe, B-A-B-E. You have to convert these two examples into the decimal. Okay. So in the next class, so we will discuss the addition based on the binary. So how to add the binary numbers, how to subtract the binary numbers, and what is the use of that. And it consists of some rules. If you want to add the numbers, means it consists of some rules. We will discuss in the next class. Thank you.